Hello friends, welcome to yet another video lecture based on career counseling for all students who have just passed out their HSC examinations. First and foremost, congratulations to all of you. The next important step is deciding on what to do. Friends, in my previous video, I spoke about various professional courses to be done. CA, CS, CMA. If anybody would like to have a look, definitely you can watch in our channel. Today I am going to talk about the various degree options available for a commerce student. As we all know, BCom has increased its scope by introducing various self-financing courses. A few of them: BCom Banking and Insurance, BCom Accounting and Finance, BCom Financial Management. These are only 3. Mumbai University has a list of 17 such courses. Friends, in this video, I would like to share some details which may help you decide what to do. To begin with, BCom Banking and Insurance. Yeah, definitely a BCom course which definitely focuses on banking industry and insurance industry. The Banking Companies Act, the Insurance Companies Act are covered in this syllabus, plus subjects associated with these industries are too covered. But one word of caution: completing a BCom Banking and Insurance does not assure you a job in these industries. Because if you want to join a bank, everybody knows that you need to definitely pass a banking entrance examination. Fortunately, unfortunately, many students who complete their graduation from the science field pass these exams in a better way because they are more equipped with their subjects of English, mathematics and logical skills. So if you want to join a bank, for that matter, you need to appear for the MPSC, UPSC exams related to probationary officers. So, just doing a BBI does not ensure you a job in these industries. As far as insurance is concerned, the market is still open and the sector is growing. Having knowledge is definitely an added advantage. So those who want or think that they should enter these industries can pursue BBI, but please do remember there is no job assurance on completion. Moreover, if you are planning to do a master's degree, that is an MCom, then it would be a regular MCom for everyone. If we talk about BAF, which is BCom Accounting and Finance. Friends, BAF basically concentrates definitely on more accounting part. The concepts, the theories which are explained to third year BCom students when one does a plain BCom are introduced to them at the first year level. So the exposure is definitely more. But my suggestion again is very clear: if you are inclined towards accountancy, if your first love is towards bookkeeping, why not do a CA? Why settle for a degree? Then you have a professional, the number 1 professional degree available. Give it a thought. If circumstances does not suit you to do a CA, or if the articleship period worries you and you want to learn accountancy in depth, BAF is for you. So you can deal with that. As regards BMS, BMS is structured in such a way that students who wants to pursue MMS, that is Masters of Management Studies, commonly called as MBA. So those students who have a vision to do MBA post-graduation, or MMS as we call it as in Mumbai University, you can definitely look out for doing BMS as a graduation. There is definitely more exposure towards the management side and you are made to prepare yourself as if you are appearing for your MMS. So each and every MBA aspirant must definitely going for a BMS. But the king of all courses I always suggest every year is the plain BCom. Plain BCom gives you an overview of all that we spoke about just now. It doesn't have that specialization, but it gives you an exposure. As we all understand, in today's market, jack of all rules the world. So a plain BCom degree definitely gives you that edge. I had said in my previous video, I repeat again, anyone and everyone who is pursuing a professional course must definitely go in for a plain BCom just for the value addition it gives you in times of what is called as time saving or an overall knowledge covering various aspects. For me, as an individual, as a teacher, to suggest for those who have no clear goals, who have not yet decided what to do in their life, must definitely opt for a plain BCom. The college which you were continuing 11th and 12th, if it offers a degree, go ahead with that. Else, if you think you need to go somewhere else, you can pursue. The market is open, my dear friends. Sit down. Think about the resources available with you. Talk to your parents. Talk to your teachers. If need, call me. I'm always there to help you out in that decision. And once you finalize as to where you want to move ahead, those, again, I'm cutting back to a different direction, who wants to prepare for UPSC, MPSC, must again go in for a plain BCom. As I said, plain BCom just gives you a little bit more time. Once the college timings are over and then you join any, say, coaching classes for that matter, the rest of the day is yours. You can always do some additional diploma courses. You can always do some extra courses which would enhance your employability. And today, I repeat, jack of all rules the market. Definitely mastery gives you an advantage, but again, jack of all is the king. So I conclude my video by stating that if you are not yet decided as to what to do in your career, please think again. You have time. My next video, we will talk about how to take admissions in college, what are the online procedures available. So stay tuned. This is CA Vishwanathan here signing off. Thank you. Best wishes.